Good morning. I'd like to excuse my voice since I am a bit under the weather. Today we're going to do a simple Hello World program in Python. All right, we'll open up our IDE, our PyCharm, and we'll create a new Python file, and we'll name it Hello World. And we'll simply type print, and then two parentheses. Inside that we'll say Hello World. Now we have a small error right here. It's just simply telling me that I need to have another space. And there we go. And it checks out. So let's go ahead and run our Hello World program. And it prints out Hello World. And that concludes today's program.